putting off car content for a long time. Like, my bad, y'all, I just woke up. I haven't posted car content in a long time. I've been putting off my Z01. Well, now I'm bringing it back. First owner, only owner. It's a 2018. Had it for almost 10 years. Let me give y'all a cold startup. I haven't started this car in a minute. It might not fucking start. Not gonna lie to you. Man, I miss this car. I haven't been in this bitch in a minute. Red or and all that. Airbag, of course. All the stuff pop up, of course. All right, here. I gotta open up my valves more. There you go. Now we in track mode. That's my Z01, and that's stock. The only thing I did with my Z01 was add an intake and a muffler. The muffler delete. I haven't done I had no cat delete, no resonator delete. I've added no mods, no tunes. So I've been getting a lot of questions about why is my car designed the way it is, and why do I have red mirrors with a red wing? The reason being because it's an IMSA inspired car, pretty much. I took the IMSA design of the first C8.R design and put it on my Camaro. The red mirrors represents Chevrolet Racing, IMSA. If you do not know what IMSA is, it's like track racing, GT3, GTD, GTE, F1, endurance racing. Pretty much what it is endurance racing. I've yet to go to any endurance racing anywhere, any F1, any NASCAR. I have not been any of it. I want to go so fucking bad. So I'm starting a channel, and pretty much what we're doing is we're gonna start building cars and taking them racing. It's really close to Mid-Ohio, and Mid-Ohio is a really good track. So my goal is to get the Camaro on Mid-Ohio and get some times. Before I do that, I have to fix a lot of shit on my car. First things first is my bumper. A drunk driver got me. And at least it made me crash. I had to go off the road, but it wasn't that bad. But yeah, they got me. It worked too. My panels. See, I gotta add more. I gotta add a clamp. The clamp came out. Real carbon fiber. It's just been on here for years. It peeled off. But yeah, I gotta rewrap this. So this is my engine, LT4 supercharged. Yeah, so I gotta get headers for this. I gotta do oil change. I for sure need a fucking oil change. I need an oil change, man. I gotta do a transmission change. But I love this intake too. It traps nothing but cold air because of this box. Oh yeah, I love. I had this for like 7 years now. I love this. It's very durable. I do my rear axles. I do my brakes. I need tires. Speaking of tires, I just ordered some. I'm going to bring this car back alive. And the first thing I'm going to do, we're going to go with a clean. I got to clean this car. On today's video, I'm going to clean my car before I take it apart. Got to clean it. Hey, let's burn one up. Clean it. I'll catch y'all in a minute. Hey, y'all. You got to catch my brother's stream. That nigga talking a lot. Hold on, let me mute this dude real quick. Hold up. Mute. All right. Hey, catch my brother's stream, y'all. OVO, my nigga Drake crazy. We're in the Z. So I gotta drop my stuff off to my sister, and her stuff off to my sister because she left her work clothes at home. So we're gonna take the Z with the one seat, and see you in a minute.
No, this is for me and my personal. Okay. I want this sent to me because I'm about to do something with this.
Why nigga stopping so? So y'all know I do some freaky stuff. Hey y'all, I do not condone y'all doing this. Even even though I'm still technically looking, like I'm still technically seeing what's in front of me. I'm just looking at it through a screen. I do not recommend for y'all to record and drive. It's not safe. But I am on a road course that is private, so I'm not in no public streets. Bye. I like the Mac E's. The Mac E's are hard. All right, going to Kroger's. Going to Kroger's. Look at the project car. You know, the blue hard. Got some wine, got some chicken. So, nigga already got fried. I thought about getting a Mercedes, getting me a Benz, maybe AMG C-Class, but I don't know. They just can't compete with Audi and BMW. And we're back. Nice farmland, got a grass cut. A lot more chores to do. Hey, y'all, was good. I'm back next day because I got decided to get high and drunk and I forgot to record. So I'm back to the next day. Good guys, I'm back, okay. It helped. She had to crawl in my Audi to get my tools. Yep. So time to work on the Camaro. Well, that's why. So damn it. We gotta get the front bumper off. The outer wrenches gotta fit in here, pretty much. So I was gonna take it out, take the front bumper off, but I'm not gonna do that. I'll do that next video. I'm gonna just be doing detailing today, step by step. Yeah, this car need clean. So let's clean it. This shit is dirty. Oh, the lighter. I've been losing that. So yeah, my car is super dirty, dusty. Back, front, side, down there. So we're gonna clean it. All right, so we got to spray with some tough stuff. Supposed to get it out, but get all like the stains and stuff out, but we see. First take. You gotta have more grip.
Okay, where?
Like, just don't let it go everywhere. There you go. Yeah, there you go. And just try to get everything off. There you go. Get more control of it. Hey, y'all see the difference in color? It goes so dirty. I gotta change this. It used to be OrcaBell, but now it's OrcaBell. I had to change the name. Hey, look. See, OrcaBell, it's pre-time skip. OrcaBell, post-time skip. One piece. The glove, that shit come in handy. All right, y'all. So you'll see how my brakes are still dirty and shit, like the caliber. Yeah, I gotta get a new coat. I gotta redo this one. So that's on the list too. She wanted to do that. Make bomb. Came outside today. That nigga Dolph hard. R.I.P. Dolph. Done. We cleaned the Camaro. We gotta get the rest of the soap off. Then stay tuned for what's next. They really fucked up my bumper, bro. I'm so salty. Like, my bumper really messed up. All right, so got it on the car. I get a shower real quick. Do it on the grill. I'm gonna show you what I'm making. Time to do a little hot box. A little hot boxing in here. You feel me? Got a whole little bench seat too. Ooh. Hey, Wiz. Hey, boy. How you doing? Wiz. I know you hear me. I gotta clean his kennel. Hey, Wiz. How you doing, boy? So we cooking chicken and beef heart. If you wanna wash your chicken, right? And cut it open like that. Pull the skin back, your knife, and cut it open a little bit. Get your fingers up in there. You feel me? You wanna add some lime in here. Add some hot sauce. I gotta mix it up, y'all. Add pineapple juice. And all it is, you pour it up in there and just let it sit for a little bit. And you can mix it up with this. Let it sit for a little bit. Let it sit for the heart. You want to cut this in really, really thin, like thin pieces, super thin. Y'all want it like, my bad, my bird won't shut up. Y'all want it like this, thinly sliced. Add too long, Joe.
Leave it alone.
That's some black sesame. That's some honey glaze and this. I gotta run to the store because I forgot some things. Hey, a RAV4 is a great daily. I love the RAV4. The Kroger's, right? And they had a deal going on about spare ribs for buy one get one free. And guess what? I got some ribs. So guess what I'm throwing on the grill too? Some ribs. I use mustard as a binder. I'm supposed to look up into sections. Use coal, put coal in. Use onions and frying oil like you already used for seasoning. If you put the oil in there before you set it on fire. If you know, you know. I was supposed to look. You see the oil and the onions? Now I was supposed to look. You set it on fire. And that right got me. Nice little burn going. I'll see y'all in a minute. Look at this, y'all.
I'm with all the shit that you like.
Look at gas. Get ready for the chicken, y'all. Look at this, y'all. And some more. I had to get the fire back, y'all. Yeah, y'all. Teriyaki, let's get to it. Let's get to it. Y'all, that's the video. Yep, this is what I made. White cheese, mac and cheese, ribs, chicken. See y'all next time.